રહ્યા છીએ. અને એની સાથે જ અત્યારે HDFCની પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સ ચાલી રહી છે, તેની ઉપર ખાસ જઈએ જે રિઝલ્ટ્સ આવતા દેખાઈ રહ્યા છે, ત્યારબાદ મેનેજમેન્ટ કમેન્ટ્રી કરી રહ્યા છે HDFC બેંકના મેનેજમેન્ટ.
If you look at the breakup of that other income, there are typically 4 components, and the largest component, which is of that 3,142 of total other income, 2,872 of the 3,142,2206 and of the 3,869 2,872 was fees and commissions, and fees and commissions for the quarter on a year-on-year basis grew by 30.1%. Operating expenses for the quarter were 5,732 crores, which represented an increase of 18.4%, and what that meant that the core cost to income ratio was at 41.2% as against 43.8% in the corresponding quarter of last year. So both on the revenue growth side as well as on the cost side, in terms of the cost to income, you've seen that there has been an improvement on a year-on-year basis. Total provisions were at 1,351 crores as against 715.8 crores for the December 2016 quarter, and as against 1,476 crores for the September quarter. So on a sequential basis, they are marginally down. On a year-on-year basis, of course, there is an increase. Moving on, if you look at post-tax, the net profit growth, of course, was 20.1%, and the actual net profit for the quarter was 4,642.6 crores. A couple of the balance sheet items as well. The total balance sheet size as of December 2017 was 9,49,000 crores as against 8,28,000 crores in December of 2016. Total deposits were at 6,99,000 crores, an increase of 10.1% over December 2016. The CASA deposits grew by 6.7% on a year-on-year basis, and however on a sequential basis it would be about 3.9%. Remember, both for deposits and for advances, the base is a little distorted, because if you remember, December 2016, which was the demonetization quarter, saw a huge spike in deposits while loan growth came off. So you'll find that the loan growth looks particularly strong. Total advances growth at 27.5%, which took the total advances to 6,31,215 crores. However, I think therefore if you look at sequential growth, which might be a little more relevant, the sequential growth in advances was 4.4%, and as I mentioned earlier, the sequential growth in deposits was again at 3.9%. The CASA ratio was at 43.9%. The loan growth itself came equally strongly from both wholesale and retail. The mix today is now 55% retail and 45% wholesale. And again, if you look at it from a regulatory classification in terms of the Basel II classification, then retail loans grew by 28% and wholesale by 26%. If you look at it from a business perspective, our own internal business classification, the growth was 29% retail and 24% wholesale. So either which way, no matter how you cut it, both those businesses have, or both those segments have contributed to the loan growth. For the 9 months, the bank earned a total income of 69,912 crores as against 60,041 crores for the 9 months ended December 2016. Net revenue growth was 22.8% for 9 months, and net profit growth was 20.2% to 12,687 crores. Finally, on network and asset quality, as of December 2017, the bank's distribution network was at 4,734 branches and 12,333 ATMs across 2,672 cities and towns. 52% of these branches are in semi-urban and rural areas.